it's time to see what we got for chicken eggs today. I just got back from my family's Easter today. It's a little late, but let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're having a brawl. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. The last nesting box, we might be our record of 46. There's a full nest in here. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. We are finally climbing our way back up. Good job, ladies. Thank you. They know I was getting rid of a lot of eggs this week with the holidays and stuff. And we dyed their eggs and they turned out beautiful. Anyways, happy Easter.